guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with a review video in a skincare category. So I have a huge box which has many products. So I have the best 5 serums for a clear skin and brightening skin. So if you want to know which serums I have and what they do and what my thoughts are about them, then please keep on watching. So like I said, I'm going to review 5 serums in this video. So these are from different brands. These are the 5 best serums I feel for your clear and brightening skin. So it has all the serums has multi-purpose benefits and बहुत सारे काम करते हैं. बहुत multi-purpose serum है. एक ही कोई चीज को टारगेट नहीं करते हैं. And I love all the serums. इसमें से सिर्फ मैंने एक जो है जो यूज नहीं किया है कभी और वो ब्रांड भी मेरे लिए नया है. It is sent to me, so I'm gonna show you one by one in no particular order. कोई भी एक लेवल के हिसाब से और कैटेगराइज करके नहीं दिखा रही हूँ मैं. Whatever I feel, so I'll show you. I'll start with my favorite one. This is in my top list because I have used this twice और मुझे बहुत पसंद है. So this is of Key 10% vitamin C and E super bright fish serum with 5% of niacinamide. Let's just talk about the product and the packaging. So it comes in a nice cardboard box with a pastel yellow color. Key की packaging मुझे बहुत cute लगती है. ये भी आप देखोगे तो इसके अंदर ये ऐसा packaging आएगा. This is Key's 10% vitamin C plus E super bright facial serum with 5% of niacinamide. ये beginner friendly है, perfect amount है start करने के लिए. और ये serum आपका dullness दूर करेगा, आपको brighten तो करेगा ही करेगा. जो acne marks है, scars है, वो भी fade कर देगा. और इसका regular use करने पे आपको आपके जो pores है, they will also start shrinking. So they'll minimize your pore also. And it gives a very dewy, glowy sort of a look. So I'll just show you the consistency of the product. So this bottle is like this and it comes in a pump packaging. And this pump, it is like not small. It gives you a very much amount of a product in one pump only. So I'm going to take only 2 pumps because I don't want to waste my product on my hands. I'm just trying to show you how this product is. So when you start applying, so this product is water based, but आपको apply करते वक्त ना gel जैसे लगेगा. Like when you apply gel on your face, वो कैसे लगता है वैसा लगेगा. मतलब ये उतना hydrating है. It gives you enough hydration on your skin. So ये काफी long lasting है और बहुत dewy finish देगा, बहुत glowy finish देगा. So even if you wear this under your makeup, which is fine, but please wear sunscreen after this. Come on, let's move on to the next product. So the next product is from brand called Pilgrim. इन्हें इसके और भी products मेरे channel में उनके review किए हैं. So this comes in this kind of a box and this is a Korean skincare because it is written Korea over here. And this is their patent packaging. It comes in a glass bottle. और उनके दूसरे products भी आते हैं वो इसी color palette में आते हैं, brown bottle and or a brown jar. Or black and golden this, what do you call it, lid. So this is Alpha Arbutin and vitamin C brightening serum. It is with blueberry and it is for all skin type. And the texture of this serum, this also comes with a dropper and this also gives you a lot of product. So it is like, can you see, it is very runny, see, but again, it is not completely like a water. It is water based, but you know, ये उस type का होता है कि जैसे मैंने last video product के लिए बोला, it gives you that smooth kind of a texture and then completely absorb हो जाता है. ये non greasy product है, completely non greasy है. And this will help you to brighten your skin, rejuvenate your skin. आपको जो skin में dullness है ना वो भी निकाल देगा. And this will really work like do wonders on your skin, because I've used this one too. Pilgrim is a really good brand for skincare, and it is completely vegan, no parabens. All the products are completely vegan, no parabens, no SLES, no nasty chemicals, and this retails for like 650 rupees. But check out my description, you will definitely get a discount. It is anti-blemish, anti-pigmentation. If you have hyperpigmentation, if you have blemishes on your skin, this will help you to remove them. So the next product is from a brand called Foxtale, and it's a daily hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid and bisabolol. ये bisabolol क्या है मुझे नहीं पता. ये 30 ml का product है and it retails for 549 rupees. I'm so sorry guys, I'm sniffing like this. I have cold. So this serum you can use in AM PM routine. Both the time depends upon your climate, and it has 5 to 5.5 pH, and it is vegan, cruelty free, again paraben as sulfate free, dermatologically tested. So this is a water based serum, and it is very much hydrating. Like I told you, my skin used to feel very soft and supple, तो ये 24 hours का hydration moisturization देता है, ये claim भी करते हैं, and hyaluronic acid is very good for your skin. Let's just see the texture. If I talk about the packaging of this product, look at it. It's like a chic, very classy packaging. It is pastel grey color but in a blue tone, and it has a white dropper head. So let's just see the texture. Again, this comes in a dropper, and इसका जो dropper है वो पिछले दो serums से थोड़ा छोटा है, but ये उतना runny नहीं है. This is also like that, like feels the same and gives you enough hydration. So the next product is from a brand called Moody. ये brand की मैं बात करती हूँ जो मैंने try नहीं किया है, तो ये मैंने पहली बार देखा था, और I'm gonna give my honest review अभी हाथ पे लगाने के बाद में. So this retails for 699 rupees. And I've heard a lot about this Moody brand. मैं आजकल बहुत shorts में और बहुत Instagram के reels में भी I saw this brand. So let's just see the texture. Oh, it's very tiny bottle, and the dropper is also very tiny, so you'll get a little lesser product, but enough for your one time use. So I have taken only 2 drops of it, and it is very lightweight yet very moisturizing. I can feel it, you know. It is very lightweight. It is going to be very lightweight on your skin. If your skin is combination to oily or oily, then it is completely good for you, because it is very lightweight. It is not at all greasy, and it claims it brightens your skin. Definitely, अगर vitamin C है तो ये brighten करेगा ही करेगा. So this is also gonna rejuvenate your skin, take like reduce your tan, remove your tan and blemishes and acne marks, acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and even out your skin tone. So vitamin C is known for that. So let's move on to the last product. Last but not the least, it is from Nature's Essence brand, Facialist. So facial everyday, उनका ये slogan है. Radiance boosting serum with 24K gold, enhances natural glow, repairs and nourishes skin, promotes skin regeneration, recommended by experts. So मेरे Instagram पे मैंने इस पे पूरा डिटेल में एक रील डाला है, मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसका लिंक डाल दूंगी, so you can check if you want to see the entire proper review about it. So this retails for 400 rupees, and ये 30 ml प्रोडक्ट है. डेफिनेटली आपको डिस्काउंट तो मिलेगा. ये बहुत अफोर्डेबल ब्रांड है. और इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द पैकेजिंग, अंदर ऐसी बॉटल आती है, ग्लास बॉटल है, और बेसिक पैकेजिंग है, और ये बहुत वाटरी है, और ये बहुत मॉइस्चराइजिंग है. मैंने इसको पर्सनली यूज़ किया है काफ़ी टाइम तक. इसमें ना गोल्ड पार्टिकल्स है. ये दिखता तो बहुत वाटरी है. लेट मी जस्ट शो यू द टेक्सचर. लुक, इट इज़ वेरी रनी, बट when you apply it, if you feel it, it's like an oil, completely oil. So you start feeling it is very oily on my skin, but just give it some time. After applying, within few minutes it absorbs nicely in your skin, and the greasiness, the oiliness completely goes away. It doesn't look oily. It looks very dewy and very like glowy kind of a effect you get on your face. And the gold particles make your face look shiny, and it gives a very natural shine on your skin. And if you wear makeup above it, so सोने पे सुहागा. तो ये है इसका, देख लीजिए like how much hydrating it is. See, the greasiness is gone. Can you see? It is not at all greasy, look. But it gives so good shine. Look the difference. So all the products are vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, SLS free, sulfate free, nothing, no nasty chemicals. It is not tested on animals. It is FDA approved. It is dermatologically tested. All the products are good on your skin and they will do wonders on your skin. Let me know what product and which serum you like the most, and if you use any one of them, then how they do to you, what is the effect of that serum on your skin. Let me know in the comment box. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, you guys, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. अगर नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब तो अभी कर लो, बहुत मेहनत लगती है यार. So yeah, I will see you next time in my next video. Till the time, bye. Keep loving me, keep loving your loved ones, and miss me. Bye.